Hi, I'm Allison Pryor, and I just want to show you a sponge that was sent to me from a company that asked me to do a review on it. Now, I'm an artist, so these sponges are for plaster, like for your walls and things. If you have like a wall that you plastered, or you did some decorating on it, or whatever you did on it, and you want to get texture, the same texture as what's already on the wall, then these sponges are supposed to be really good for that. So I'm gonna check it out on a canvas, like if I was doing a painting. So I want to see what kind of texture comes off on it. And that'll give us a good idea of what it'll be like, even if you are plastering your walls. It's for texture repair, do-yourself painting, sealing. It's called a Knockdown texture sponge. I just got some notes here, and well, I'll find out now what it really is like and see if it works. Because if this works, if this works, whatever works on your walls will also work on your canvas, okay? Because where I'm an artist, I use all kinds of tools. I use sponges, and I use all kinds of painting tools, painting brushes, right? So I'm going to open this up. This is what it came in, which is nicely packaged. Okay, and so it came in a nice package, and it came in a bubble wrap besides, and came from Amazon. But the company gave me the links, and they asked me to do a review. Okay, so there we go, and like I said, I can use this for my art. If you use this on your walls, whatever you can use on your walls, I can use on my art. Okay, feels good. It's almost like a sea sponge. You know where you buy sea sponges for your art? Well, this feels like a sea sponge. It actually feels nice. I like it. So the notes I have on it is that this is intended for small repairs and areas that need textured, okay? And blends well with the original texture. Because it's got all these little holes in them, see? Because like I said, I use these kind of sponges for my art. And so this will help you. Let's see, it's intended for, okay, we know that. It allows you to finish a drywall repair by yourself. And it will save you time on asking for help and bring you a sense of achievement. I tell you, whenever I use sponges like this on my arts, I do feel that. I do feel a sense of achievement because it works so well. Like you're trying to get texture, and look, it's going to give you texture because all the paint is going to sit on top of this, and the holes then are going to make texture. I'm going to show you in a minute how it works. And so this texture sponge patch is called Texture Patch Sponge, is a nice match for light, medium, and heavy knockdown texture. Well, suitable for construction, punch-out, apartment maintenance crews, house flippers, and handymen and women, and it's washable and reusable. So let me try it on a canvas for you, okay? Just to see what the texture is going to be like. Now, you can also cut these in smaller pieces if you want. I do that with my sea sponges. So yes, I would recommend this little, I like it. Just look, see all the holes. That's what gives you that beautiful texture, see? I really like it. Especially for art. I mean, if you're into crafts and art, and some people paint on their walls, right? They paint murals and they paint for their kids' rooms and stuff, right? And this would be perfect for that look. Really nice. You could use the back or the front. You could even cut it in smaller pieces. Probably order a couple of them just to have some extra ones around, extra sponges, so you can get all these nice textures. I really like it. I keep showing to you because I'm so excited about it. I love the way it opens up like that. Really, really nice. And even the top ones are nice too. But that's it. So I'll leave the link for you, and you guys check it out. And that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye from Allison Pryor.